Hello, welcome back guys to Spotarya channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to add camscanner widget on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly, if you want to add to the widget, you just have to simply and hold for a second like this until you found out here the widget icon, guys. If you want to enable it, you just have to tap on it like this, and the cam scanner, it will be a widget like this. So if you want to use it, you just have to simply tap on it like this, and it will automatically open for the camera page. So you don't need to open it for the cam scanner like before by open it for the applications and after tap on this camera icon to use the cam scanner, guys. So yeah, I think it's enough for me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.